Children, good afternoon everyone. For the fourth class children, this is a science subject. As we have completed the science lesson, now we have to complete the worksheet. Okay, so the name of the lesson is Animals, How Life Goes On. It is there in the page number 85 page number about the worksheet. Okay children, here rearrange the words to get the names of animal babies. Okay, what you can find this children? Joey, joy. What will be this? This is the baby frog. What is this called as? Tadpole. This is the first stage of butterfly, that is caterpillar. This is the baby of hen, that is called as chick. This one, baby of cat, that is kitten. Here the larva form of housefly is called as what children? Maggot. Let us see this one. What is the spelling for joy? Joey. Next is tadpole, Tadpole. You can write from here. As I can just rotate the phone so that you can pause the video and you can write. Okay, first one is joy, second one is tadpole, third one is caterpillar, next one is chick, next one is kitten, and last one is maggot. Please pause the video and write children. Yeah, I hope you have written. See the next one children. Who am I? Write on the blanks. I have hair on my body and give birth to young ones. Which group of animals do I belong to? Mammal. Please write here children, mammal, because the mammal has what? They have the hair on its bodies, and as well as they are giving birth to their young ones. I can fly and can also give birth to young ones. I am a bat. I am six-legged animal. My babies are called maggots. I am a housefly. Okay, next one children, right? Answer these questions. What is reproduction? Please write down the definition of reproduction children. The process by which living things produce one or more of their own kind. The process by which living things produce one or more of their own kind is called reproduction. Okay children. Next question. How do birds reproduce? Birds reproduce by laying eggs. I just go through this one. You can write children. One is more is left. Okay, next one. Describe the life cycle of a frog. See children, what you have to write? A frog lay its eggs in water. A frog's egg develops into a tadpole. It keeps growing and slowly changes into an adult frog. Okay, what you have to write? I just repeat it through. A frog lay its eggs in water. A frog's egg, apostrophe s, egg, develops into a tadpole. It keeps growing and slowly changes into an adult frog. I just turn the phone and you can write children. You just pause the video and you can write it totally so that you can see it very clearly. Okay, what is reproduction? The process by which living things produce one or more of their own kind is called as reproduction. How do birds reproduce? Birds reproduce by laying eggs. Describe the life cycle of a frog. A frog lays its eggs in water. A frog's egg develops into a tadpole. It keeps growing and slowly changes into an adult frog. Okay children, I think you have completed this. Pause the video and you can write. Okay, now going to the debate. Label this diagram of a bird's egg. So what is this children? This is a bird's egg. Okay, this is egg shell. Please write down children, egg shell. The outer covering of and which protects the yolk as well as the albumin, that is called as eggshell. Yolk, this is the middle part, and yellow round part of an egg is called as yolk, Y-O-L-K. Here the L will be silent. The albumin is a white part, okay, and it protects the embryo, okay, and this eggshell is protecting everything, okay, that is called as albumen. Please write down, children, albumen, okay. Please write your name and the class. Obviously what the class is, that is 4th, okay, this is 4th class science, and you have to write this, okay. I hope you have written all this, and then we will do the worksheet to tomorrow, okay children. I hope you have learnt a lot of from this chapter, how the life goes on, right? What does it mean? It means to reproduce its own kind or by laying eggs, okay, how the world is already going on. So I hope you are reading good at your home, and please complete the worksheets and submit it in the school premises. Thank you children.